Hi kids, Keenan here with Let's Make Art. Today, sorry I'm looking around. Today we're going to be doing coloring with Keenan because we want to color with you. I have Ella with me. How old are you, Ella?
8.
8?
And a half.
And a half. A whole half. What's your name?
Luna.
Luna. How old are you?
5.5.
5.5, both halves. We also have Michael. This is their dad.
31 in a couple months, yeah. 31.2.
Just a bunch. I'm 29. I turned 30 in December.
Dang.
If you guys can guess my birthday.
December 25th.
You guessed it immediately. I feel like you knew it.
Yeah, you told me.
Dang it. That's okay. Someone else can guess if they didn't hear that. Okay, so we are going to color. I'm going to hold it up here like this. It's a magical rainbow. And I'm going to bring it down. It says, "There is magic inside you." Should we do the motto that Nicole does?
Yeah.
Okay, raise your right hand. Other right.
I don't know what mine.
Perfect. Ready? Okay, repeat after me. I am brave.
I'm brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And
Let's do this.
Let's
Trifecta
do it.
fist bump. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Okay, let's get coloring. We have a bunch of Crayola Super Tips we're just going to dump out on the table.
Dun, dun,
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, you know what we should do? We should do a color of the day.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you said you said we should do blue.
And I
And you said pink, so I think they make this color.
And this color.
Yeah,
This.
not that one. This one more. What color is this?
Papa.
Purple. Perfect. Okay, that's the color of the day. Now, you guys can, actually Luna already started a little bit with her red on the magic, which is really great. But you guys can color this any color you want. What are the colors of the rainbow?
As red,
Yep.
orange,
Yep.
yellow, green,
Yes.
blue, purple, peach, brown.
Nailed it. Nailed it. You're listing so many good colors because you're so right. I'm going to start with red.
Me too.
Okay, I'll do the last color. I have to remember Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet, right?
I go back and forth between whether I like indigo or violet better.
Well,
Dad like purple.
what's this closer to?
I mean, that's closer to violet, I would say. Indigo is more like royal bluish, I think. I don't
Okay,
know.
I don't either.
I like royal blue.
You do?
Yeah.
Royal blue is nice. I like these two colors combined. This orange and like gold almost.
Yeah.
I like those combined for a sunset. Those are my favorite.
I
Excuse me.
like that one and that
Pink
one.
and peach.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those are
I
nice.
like royal blue and turquoise.
Is the red on? Okay, I'm gonna do. If you're gonna do red there, I'm gonna do red here.
Where?
I mean purple, violet, purple. Over here. I get really worried about staying inside the lines, but you don't have to be worried about it. Because when I filmed a little bit with Nicole, and she watched how I colored, and she said that I worry about the lines too much. I need to just relax and color wherever I want.
Solid life advice.
Solid life advice. Color outside the lines.
It's fine.
It's fine. What have you girls been doing lately? What have you been up to?
Doing up to.
Doing up to, yeah, I'm gonna say that.
Doing school.
Doing school?
All
How's that
day.
going? Oh, dang. What did
It's
you learn?
going. Times tables.
I'm
learning this.
That's great. What'd you learn about, Luna?
Preschool.
Preschool. Oh, that is great. I'm gonna do blue now. I'm onto my blue.
I am my orange.
You on your orange?
What was I doing? My
Luna, you're doing great with your letters. What's your favorite color?
blue and purple. Oh, like what's your first one?
What's your first favorite? Pink? My daughter Vita's favorite color is pink.
I know.
You knew that?
Who told me? What's Eleanor's?
Eleanor's favorite color, I think it changes every once in a while. Her first favorite color was red, now it's purple.
think I like a whole rainbow that's not black. That and that and that color.
Oh. What if we did a rainbow that color? That'd be cool.
Yeah.
What's after blue? I'm going backwards.
It's green.
Yeah, Roy G. Biv. Yeah. Okay. Yob G. What? Roy G. Biv. Vibg.
Vibgor.
Vibror.
Did I just?
I'm on green.
Me too.
You're on green? Nice. Mine kind of looks like seaweed.
Mine is like grass.
Do you like seaweed?
Yes.
You do?
No.
What? It's kind of salty.
Luna eats tuna rolls all day long.
You like tuna rolls, Luna?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
I like California roll and udon.
Udon.
Sushi sounds so good now.
Sushi does sound so good. When does it not? What's your
Never.
favorite food, Ella?
Caramel.
Caramel? That's excellent.
Excellent choice.
I'm going to do this gold for my yellow. I feel like my rainbow looks a little heavy, you know?
Yeah.
The
can I
outside
yell
is
now?
usually the red portion.
Is it always, like, does it go red outside on both sides, top and bottom?
No. It's
So
a,
okay.
it starts on the outside of the bow, the longer portion, it's red, and then it goes down into the violet color. And it would, if you could see past violet into ultraviolet, you would see that it actually continues further,
But we can't see that.
but we can't.
I'm going to do one more shade of yellow so that,
Luna, color soft.
so that I have, there we go. Oh yeah, this is nice. Do you guys do recess?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
Who do one? I do.
I do too.
How fun is recess?
It's great.
It is.
It's so hard.
Seems like we're doing a great job.
I only have 3 more left.
3 more.
I'm amazed how in order you've kept those. Oh, Luna coming in hot with, there we go, there we go.
That's what I was just noticing. I was like, uh-oh, we're getting close. What is your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Definitely my birthday.
Your birthday's a holiday?
Yeah.
Like a personal
I
holiday?
celebrate it at school.
Wait. What's your favorite non-school related holiday that isn't your birthday?
Halloween.
Christmas.
Luna's options changed, and that's great. Christmas, okay. Mine is also Christmas.
Yeah, I think your birthday's on Christmas.
I don't know who told you that.
December 25th.
It might have been me. I probably told you that.
Yeah, you did.
What color are you going to do your magic?
Luna's going off the rails. Luna, scoot your
Luna,
paper
look
towards
at that.
Keenan so we can see it.
Here, bring it this way. Luna, your rainbow is
See
amazing.
the choo-choo train
I'm gonna
turning to
do
the wrong.
I'm gonna do my favorite colors and see if I can combine the colors. You know what combine? What does combine mean, Luna?
I don't know.
Mix. I'm gonna try and mix the colors. Okay?
Or color of the day.
Sometimes I'm not sure how I choose to do patterns. Or how I
I'm
do.
done with that.
Good job. Oh my gosh, you're so good at that. What if you color the lines now? You burned through that. That was so quick. Let's see what happens if I do this. Does it change the color at all?
I don't think so.
Not really.
Use that color, pink.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, pink.
On the A?
And the one here.
On the M?
Yeah, I see it's missing.
Okay, I'm just gonna start the
Ooh,
rainbow.
do like
all
red.
over again.
Ooh, that's pretty. Good call, Luna. I'm going to do pink on the A. See what happens. Oh, what color is this?
Peach.
We can't trust the lid. The lid's telling us one color
One sec.
when the marker is,
Telling us another.
it's almost maroon. It almost looks like this color,
Yeah.
but that's darker.
Way darker.
What the? That's amazing.
What's amazing?
The surprise of the lids. I was expecting a different color. Oh, look. I'm accidentally doing a fun thing. I outlined the letter shapes inside. I did the triangle.
We're already doing a fun thing.
I accidentally did another fun thing. I love fun things. Don't you?
No, of course I do.
Of course you do.
So can we trade markers?
Ooh, tradesies. I love to trade things and share things. What is your favorite fairy?
Blue ones, definitely blue ones.
You like
Pink
blue
fairy.
fairies? You like pink? Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense then. Those are your favorite colors. Mine's Tinkerbell. Do you have a favorite fairy's name?
Tinkerbell.
Yeah, Tinkerbell's great, but
She looks
she's
just
green.
like me.
She does. Oh
Like
my
if I take
goodness.
my glasses off and grow my hair.
You
long.
look like a fairy?
Yeah.
Well, that's
And put it
lovely.
in a
I wish I looked like a
ponytail?
fairy sometimes. I could be a fairy. I could pull it off.
Yeah, wait.
If I had wings taped to my back or something,
Yeah.
I'm going to make it look like the G is shiny.
Huh?
Does that look like the G is shiny, or does it just look like I didn't color part of the G?
She's trying to figure out how to say it nicely.
Yeah, I don't
You don't love it?
like
What
it.
if I mix a little bit of blue in there?
Look at mine.
Perfect.
I like it.
Luna, yours is lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, this is where it's at. Look at that. Neat.
Ooh.
Little questionable.
Let's make brown.
Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Now we're gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring this in over here. If he's gonna come in here.
Which green did I use? Luna, I just need a color, and then she has the color that I need.
What about this turquoise-ish color? I'll use that one.
Girls, I want you both to scoot your papers closer to Keenan's. When you
Oh yeah,
color.
so we can see it.
There we go.
Perfect.
Blue trade?
Ooh, I'm gonna try this one. This looks like honey. Doesn't this look like honey?
Yeah.
Let's see how close it
Oh,
is.
now honey sounds so good.
I love honey. Did you know that you could pour honey on a plate and shake the plate, and if it's organic honey, it shows the shape of a honeycomb?
Wait.
Oh, that's if you mix it with water. You got to put a little water on the plate, and then you shake it, and it'll show the shape of the honeycomb in the water. But if it's fake honey, it won't show the honeycomb shape. I've tested it. It's really cool. I like this honey color. Do you like the honey color?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use it again. It almost looks like my M on accident.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy. What's your favorite flower?
Roses.
Have you seen the movie Mulan?
Yes.
Mulan free.
Mulan 3?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. What about the cartoon Mulan? Have you seen that one?
Yeah.
That's my favorite one.
Mine.
I think that's my favorite Disney movie of all time.
I like Mulan 3 better.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They call the newest Mulan release, the live action one, they're referring to that one as 3.
I was wondering what the third one was because I've only seen the 2 cartoon action ones. Cartoon action. That's a phrase we use here.
The new one
Cartoon
was really
action.
good, but there was no music and there was no Mushu.
See, that's what I was going to say. Popped out of the ground like daisies.
Yeah.
That's my favorite phrase. I'm going to use this one. I think I like this one again.
Look at mine.
Oh, that's such a pretty color. Yours is glorious. Do you like Ella's?
Yeah.
How lovely is Ella's?
Trade.
Look how clean your lines are. My lines are not that clean, but that's okay. I like how clean yours are, that I can look at it, and I like to look at mine too. Look at your rainbow. It's so pretty.
I got a lot of eyes.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. I need to color the exclamation point.
Now
Purple.
what do I do
Purple?
Our purple.
Purple's the color of the day.
And we haven't been using. That's
Why don't
just
you write your name on it, Luna?
Oh yeah, Luna, write your name.
next? I'm gonna do it with this purple.
Okay.
Do a different color for every letter.
Ooh, there's one color. Nice. Could I have the purple, please? Thank you. I'm gonna try and make mine as neat as Ella's. I don't think I'll be able to do it.
Gotta match up the tip.
Ella goes to school.
Where the line is.
I don't.
What? I didn't get any of that. Oh.
I don't go to school.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you don't.
I don't use my hands very often for writing or coloring. Except for once a month with coloring with Keenan.
Yeah.
I write names with different colors.
That's awesome. Do you know your last name?
Beautiful. What's your last name?
Dad.
Oh,
She
he
thinks. Yeah.
Is it
She thinks my last name. She thinks my last name is Cray. And she thinks my middle name is Luna Ray Louise, and she thinks her middle name is Luna Ray Louise.
Oh. Your middle name's Jack.
Luna
Yeah, you
Jack
said-
Johnson Cray.
Luna Jack Johnson Cray. Look at that. Ooh, you're outlining the letters. She did more than we did. But you could do that too. Here, use this pen. And then you can write on the THE
I
right
actually
here.
want a golden one.
Okay.
I'll trade you. Trade you.
Too late. She got it. Next time. Or you can wait. I'm going to use this pen.
I'm gonna outline the cloud in gold.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Because what's the phrase? Or is there a phrase?
I don't know what you're talking about.
There's a pot of gold at the end of each rainbow, but I feel like there's a better way to phrase it.
A gold at a rainbow. And
Gold at a rainbow. Yes. We're on to something. Look at that. Now we're just outlining these letters like
Look.
champions.
Look at mine.
Luna, scoot your paper in.
It's gold. Look at that right there.
Ah.
Look, you have the THE right here. Like, oh, the THE. It's really hard to see. Can you see it?
Okay.
There you go. To improve my handwriting, I should be doing this more often.
I can
Just tracing
do it.
letters.
Here.
I was just talking to Sarah about this last night, funny enough. I've always been self-conscious of my handwriting, and I used to print out pages of letters and just trace them.
Well, you have great handwriting.
It's mediocre. I was telling her if I write really slow, I can get it neat looking, but like when I write normal speed, it's still very sloppy.
If I write normal speed, I will skip letters.
Brain moves too quick.
Brain moves too quick. My hand is too slow. I'm outlining my letters that I already colored in the middle, and I really like what I'm doing here.
Really add some finishing touches. Looks
Yeah,
nice.
exactly. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Oh, Luna, yours is nice. You got that H there really well. Here, scoot it over here so everyone can see. Very nice. Beautiful.
I can do another now.
All right. You want to do more? All right, go ahead. Oh, you want to do a different one? How about we do another one later? In a few minutes, okay? In a few minutes. Okay. Are we done with these? Yeah? Okay, let's show them real quick.
Wait.
Nice, you added, what is this? What did you add?
That's just a butterfly.
That is a beautiful butterfly. Wow. Oh, lovely. Oh, you're doing all the letters in gold. That's smart. Nice. Wow. So creative. Ladies are doing great.
What's your idea to use the gold though?
No, you said you were gonna do the cloud in gold.
What was your idea to like use the gold?
I don't remember that.
Yeah, you were like,
Sometimes I forget my ideas.
oh no.
Isn't it funny how kids can just like not sit down,
Uh-huh.
like stand in the
Hold
chair?
still. Yeah. That's an 8.
No.
Oh. Are they glasses? You did a great job. That's terrifying. Okay. I think we are going to be done for today.
Yeah.
And I think that this was so fun. You guys did a great job. Thanks for coloring with me. We hope that you guys had a great time. Get your bigs to share your artwork. We want to be able to see it on our Let's Make Art Kids Projects Facebook page. And yeah, we will see you next time.
Bye.
And have fun coloring. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.